One day, Guddu declared, "I'm going for a jungle walk on roller skates," and everyone shouted, "What?" In Jungle Masti Town lived Guddu the Elephant, round, jolly, and always munching on something. He took the first turn, zoom, straight into a watermelon cart. Watermelons in the air, Guddu on the ground. The monkeys weren't going to be left out. They tied bananas to their feet and started sliding like maniacs. Banana Express had begun. Guddu slipped straight into a cow parade. The cows mooed with joy. "Oh wow, what a cute new baby has joined us." Guddu saw a slide and jumped. But it wasn't a slide, it was a tree hidden in mud. Smack! A cheeky parrot challenged him. "Can you dance, big guy?" Guddu replied, "I shake my tail. I shake the world." A squirrel reporter pulled out a camera. "Jungle's breaking news. Guddu the Elephant has gone wild." Slip, 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 and splash. Guddu flew straight into a giant fruit punch pool. The whole jungle burst into laughter. At the end, everyone clapped, hugged Guddu, and gave him an award, the funniest jungle walk ever.